Alright, what I've got here, I've got a urethane primer in a mini jet with a 1.2 SR nozzle set. Demonstration that we could show how you can use 1 ounce of primer. We'll put on two wet coats. Use 100% of the primer that's mixed. I mean, with just 1 ounce, we can spray out of the RPS cup. So that's another advantage with this vented system, is being able to spray all of the material in the cup. So take a look. I'm going to shoot one test pattern to show you how I've adjusted the gun. I have the pressure set on 27 psi. I have adjusted the fluid knob on this gun down to bring me from about a 7-inch fan down to a smaller fan shape and size that I need. And I'll just hit this with about a 75% overlap, and I'll put on 2 coats. Now, this primer is made to be used, spray 1 coat, let it dry, then spray another coat. But for this demonstration, I'm going to shoot 2 coats back to back. The other nice thing is I actually have almost half of that material still left in the cup, so we can definitely put a 3rd coat on this with that ounce. So I'll show you that now. Alright, as I just showed you, we've adjusted this fan down to a certain size that I wanted for the repair size that we were going to do. We did 3 coats, still with 1 ounce of primer, had plenty left. But let me show you a little closer how we do those adjustments and how functional or how flexible the fan size is on this mini jet, so that you can do a panel, or we can get down to where you're only priming one scratch at a time if one was missed during the prep stages. So let me show you how small we can make this. Now, I've done all of those adjustments with the fan control knob, the flat round spray knob, completely open. So you can see what a variety of sizes that we have, all the way down to very small. But if I close that to round spray and shut the fluid off and barely open that, you can get even tighter with this gun. So the gun will do whatever you need it to do, from large repairs to small detail work that you're trying to touch up a scratch on a cut through in the edge of a panel, or just small stone chips in a blend area. Very, very easy to adjust. Incredible little spray gun.